Welcome back to our Applied Aspects lecture series, where we explore the wonders within the human body. In today's lecture, we dive deep into the intricate anatomy of the lungs. So, let's get started. The lungs, a vital organ of the respiratory system, play a crucial role in our everyday lives. They are responsible for extracting oxygen from the air we breathe and transporting it into our bloodstream while removing carbon dioxide as waste. The lungs are divided into lobes, the right lung, containing 3, and the left lung, 2. These lobes are further divided into smaller units called lobules, which are the functional units of the lungs. Each lobule consists of a bronchiole, alveolar ducts, and tiny air sacs, called alveoli. It's within these microscopic alveoli where the exchange of gases takes place. As the air enters the lungs through the windpipe, it branches out into smaller tubes called bronchi, which further divide into numerous bronchioles. These bronchioles, like branches of a tree, spread throughout the lungs, increasing the surface area for gas exchange. Within the walls of the alveoli, a network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries surround the air sacs. This thin barrier allows for the diffusion of oxygen from the alveoli into the bloodstream and the release of carbon dioxide. The lungs themselves are protected by a double-layered membrane, called the pleura. The outer layer lines the chest cavity, while the inner layer covers the surface of the lungs. This fluid-filled space between the layers reduces friction, enabling smooth and effortless movement during breathing. Breathing, a process we often take for granted, involves the coordinated effort of several muscles. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle located beneath the lungs, plays a vital role in expanding and contracting the chest cavity. When we inhale, the diaphragm contracts, flattening and allowing the lungs to expand. Conversely, when we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes, causing the lungs to contract and push air out. Understanding the anatomy of the lungs is essential in comprehending respiratory diseases and their management. By knowing how this intricate system works, we can appreciate the remarkable beauty hidden within our bodies. And that concludes our first Applied Aspects lecture on the anatomy of lungs. We hope you've learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating lectures on the human body. Until next time, this is the Curious Cosmos signing off.